So I'm going to take these two dumpsters and I'm going to stick them on here. So this one goes here, so you can see there's a little snot here. And this is going to go like this. And then this one, there's another snot like right here. You can see it. And it's going to go like that. So that one's going to sit like that, and that one's going to sit like that, and there you go. Alright, and then of course, you know, I still have this figure, which is kind of cool. Sandman coming up out of the sand. All the details on that, you know, it's pretty neat. So this is going to be one of my shorts. I'll see you in the next video. Alright, Lego Fanatics, we're back. Got some pieces here I'm going to make a floor with. So I'm going to put this piece. Make sure I got the right length. Alright. So I'm going to put this piece on here, like this. Okay. This is going to be the start of this. Then I'm going to put this like this. And I'm going to put, nope, I'm going to flip this. And I'm going to put one here. And this one will go all the way over here. And then this one's going to go in the middle. That's how that should look. I'm going to flip it over. Oh, and then I need 2 1x4s. Here's one. There's 2. Like that. I'm going to flip it. And I'm going to put so I'm going to put 1x8. No, this is too long. I'm going to put a 1x8 like that. Now I'll put a 1x6 here, just like that. Now I'm going to put another plate right here with long plates, just like that. Okay. I'm going to take this long piece here and put it here like that. I'll take this last piece and put it right like this. And as you can see, I'm building a floor. Okay, so now I'm going to flip it. And I'm going to have 1x3. I'm going to fill this blank all the way in like this. I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to put it here. This is too long. Let's see if I've got something longer over here. I had several of these pieces that are, I think that's, yep, okay, that's the one I need. I'm going to put that like that. I'm going to take this piece here, and put it here, and I'm going to put this piece here like that. And let's see what the next part is. Yep, okay. So then I'm going to have to look for some long pieces that will go on this side. So that's pretty much the floor I'm building. One of the floors I'm building. So that will probably go up on top of the other building, other floor that I have built already. I'll see you in the next video.